Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to delete the first page number in the word like and subscribe. Support this channel. Let's get started. So first of all, let's add page numbering to this document. Go to the Insert tab, click the page number button and select where the numbering will be, from the top or bottom. And then select the numbering style from the list. Okay, the numbering has been added. Now let's delete the number from the first page. Double-click on the number and the footer and the corresponding tab on the ribbon open. For better visibility, we will increase the font size of the number. Now, if we just need to delete the number from the first page, then we simply select the Different First Page checkbox and the number is deleted. And the remaining numbering goes from the second page. But if we need not only to delete the number of the first page, but also to start numbering from the second page, then we need to slightly change the numbering, namely to start it from 0. Click the page number button and select the Format Page Numbers option. Here we need to make a small change, that is, enter 0 in the Start At field. Click OK, and as you can see, the numbering now starts from the second page. It's all. Now we know more.